Okay, now let's understand the difference between the inner join and the left join. So if we are using inner join on this query, then we can see that we receive the records where the e-code of employee table is matched with the e-code of project table, and we will not find any null in project name because this data is complete match. But if we run the same query and instead of inner join we are using left join, then we will see that we have matching value as well as non-matching value. So where the e-code is match, then we have the project name. If the e-code is not match, we have null in project name. So this is the main difference between the inner join and the left join. It is very important to note that the position doesn't matter in inner join because anyhow we have to extract the common value from both the tables, but position do matter in left join because left join will extract all the values from employee table and not matching and non-matching value from the left join table. So uh, if we have a table where we are expecting some null values, that table we will provide after left join. So this is the difference between the inner join and the left join.